for us. Only Southwest Airlines only.
The devil thought he had us for a second because
trying not to print out boarding passes.
But my God prevails, okay?
Yeah, we done, man. You got a couple people in between us. Yeah, they I need to put my lashes down.
Thanks so much for flying with us. Hope you enjoyed your flight. Welcome to Las Vegas.
So this is Jada's second camera. She's too busy recording outside. I'm recording what's really happening. So for the last 5 minutes, we have been on a roller coaster ride on the side of this morning. It has been a lot, but like I said, she's doing nothing but recording outside. But I have us covered.
We are here, you guys. The hermit mode.
And look, me walking next to y'all like, come on.
What was it? What y'all talking about?
Come on. Us drunk.
Oh.
You do like to, I do fall on the floor when I'm drunk.
Man, it's a long walk,
I
brother.
will sleep there. I will sleep there. I'll get up in the morning.
It's a Liddy that's
Liddy did a titty.
We were going to do karaoke, but we're a little late, so it's okay. We're just gonna walk the strip and do karaoke tomorrow. So I'm gonna show y'all what the strip looks like when we get over that way. That's our hotel right there. But this is the strip.
Ain't that cute? Round 1. Next is gonna be the green.
I got an extra shot too, of course. You already know it.
They probably think she drunk already. She's leaning all. I just can't walk. I just can't stand up straight. My feet don't work.
Oh, look at us. We look so colorful.
We are.
We are. We still ain't made it from in front of our hotel though. Everybody got their daiquiris in hand. Just walking the strip. Oh, that is nice. Since you're coming back over here, I'll come with you. Well, what if I drop my daiquiri, bro?
Cool.
If I drop my daiquiri, I'll go in after it. At least get the cup so I can get a refill.
I'm the leader. Okay? How about y'all just let me lead? Obviously, Jemima don't have it, right? You see where she's at. You know this one definitely ain't got it. Yeah. What you doing?
I'm digging. Yeah, Jemima.
We doing throwback dances?
Yeah, y'all was already doing the Soldier Boy.
You ready?
What that boy? Oh, she's jerking. I know.
People eat marshmallow pies.
Ketchup. What can I get for you?
I'm good.
You need ketchup? Anything else?
Y'all, it's full cold. No cap, no rap.
Come on, Kelly. The quicker you get in, the quicker it'll be over with. Come on. Give me a hand.
Can y'all see them?
You recording us?
Yeah.
Y'all, we paid too much money to be in this nice ass hotel. For this pool to not be heated. I got us figgity messed up. I can't cuss because she can get monetized. But right.
Let me see. Is it okay? So it's 6 o'clock at home. Y'all, it is beautiful out here. Period. This is my hotel pool, y'all, for my birthday, bro. We really doing this day, bro. Yeah, bro. Period. I'm really cute out here. All my friends cute. They on live and stuff right now, but it's okay. I ain't got no service, so all I can do is like record a video. But that's good. That's cool. Like, I ain't really tripping. I'm having a great time. I had this $30 pina colada. Got 3 shots in it. 3 shots in it. It's sitting back there. I gotta finish it when we get back to the room. Cause yeah. Anyway, I just wanted to capture some video of this pool. Cause yes, we're going to beach out. And period, you already know I got some pictures. Like, who do you think you're watching? Like, on period. We are on the way to brunch. Everybody is casually cute. It's Jemiah, Jill, and Kelly in the front. Yes, periods. Make sure you check out my try on haul. I tried on this outfit and all the other outfits. You're gonna see them in the vlog, but you know, if you want to see them back to back to back, check out that video. Yeah, I love these sunglasses. Periods. Ooh, cat baby. You know what I mean?
So I have the mango right here, right?
I cheated. I stopped.
That was kind of ugly, but it's okay.
Okay, baby, I said a light room. Yes, a light room so we can take pictures. Yes, period. Yes, feel my ref. All right, y'all. So, the other one was reserved. It's okay.
You keep in contact with certain exes. Do you know? Take a I adore. I gave you everything was mine is yours. Your brand new bitch up in your bed. You don't even know your middle name. Why would she might steal your chain? You never like the nigga I met. So we crazy and you quick to forget. You even got me tripping. You got me. Fuck your favorite DJ. DJ Chill. Wow.
first time gambling.
Yeah.
Is this your first time gambling?
This is my first time.
Jemiah, is this your first time?
Yeah. Money when it is. I win money when I come to the casino. I win money. $20, okay?
Good luck.
It's gonna double.
Good luck, girl.
Thank you.
So we're looking for a top dollar machine. So we saw some tips that if you get one like that and one with a low payout or a zero payout to the casino, that's good. So that's what we're looking for right now. That's it. Uh-oh. Y'all, we found it. Oh, this one say top dollar.
Okay, yeah.
So we got our drinks. I'm at this little kitty machine. Kelly had to go to the room and get some more money. So I'm just sitting here trying to, like, you know, use all these ones. Let me come back after I, oh, yeah. Dang, I did not mean to do that. I just bet all my money on extra. Hold on. Oh, after I say I did win already. I had put like 15 in the slot and I got back like $30. So I want to double my money. Dang, get you excited with the music. Oh, so I'm gonna play a wager. Oh, London Green. I didn't win nothing, but I lost everything. Fine art.
Yes, you need to be guest to use that.
Well, we thought we was gonna be at this pool, but not give the correct information. So I hope you don't have me looking crazy in here.
It's so awkward if you don't like it.
Well, it's gonna be so awkward, it's gonna come out. That's gonna be awkward. Alright, so now I'm trying to find Kelly and Jemiah on the way to the farm shops. I also gotta find a place where my mom had my gifts. So I still don't know where that is either. But hopefully I gotta find that soon too. Okay, I'm always at the farm shops, I think. People would be in there. Got spooked and I saw the people. I was like, ooh, snap, let me start recording. Oh shit. Hi, I caught up to them. Which store? Oh, dang. Tell them why.
I got kicked out of Versace because I was taking pictures of the clothes.
Nothing for real.
You're not supposed to do that.
my ID, but it got turned in, period, because my people work harder. Okay, but here we go. I'm going to go get my gift. I don't even remember what I said before because I blanked when I thought I lost my ID. I thought everything was over, so yeah. But here we go, hold on. Nobody's in here right now. It's okay. I don't want to get copyrighted, hold on. How old are you? 23. Just, thank you. Thank you.